Let's start editing. You can drag and drop any page or directory onto any other page or directory. And any children of those directories can also get transferred over quite easily. You can upload and replace any existing screenshot with our asynchronous uploader. Creating new pages and directories is done quite easily with these new add buttons. You can also easily edit any of their titles. Duplicating pages or whole groups with just one click is done quite easily. It's allowing you to make a lot more content quite quickly. And of course, you could undo any action that you did before or redo, and that includes the uploads. Well, that's all there is to it. Thanks and have fun editing.